Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, lived a young boy named Ethan. Born into a humble family with meager means, Ethan's childhood was painted with the hues of poverty. Yet, in the corners of his determined eyes, there gleamed a spark that held the promise of a brighter future. Ethan's days were filled with hard work and resilience. He would help his parents tend to the small plot of land they owned, cultivating crops under the relentless sun. Despite the daily struggle for survival, Ethan harbored a dream that seemed as vast as the starlit sky above him. The dream of breaking free from the shackles of poverty and building a life of abundance. One fateful day, as fate would have it, a kind stranger visited their village. This stranger, impressed by Ethan's unwavering spirit, decided to sponsor his education. The village echoed with whispers of disbelief as Ethan stepped into a world he had only dreamt of, the world of books and knowledge. As the years rolled by, Ethan's dedication to his studies became the talk of the town. He devoured every book, conquered every challenge, and emerged as a beacon of hope for the entire village. His insatiable thirst for knowledge led him to a prestigious university, where doors to opportunities swung wide open. In the bustling city, Ethan faced trials and tribulations, but he stood firm against the winds of adversity. His academic brilliance caught the eye of a renowned entrepreneur, Mr. Anderson, who offered him a golden ticket to the corporate world. Ethan, now armed with education and determination, embraced the challenges with open arms. Through hard work, innovation, and a touch of luck, Ethan's rise in the corporate ladder was meteoric. From a small village lad to a shrewd businessman, he defied the odds stacked against him. His story became the stuff of legends, the tale of an underdog who transformed adversity into an unbelievable success story. Ethan's success didn't change him. Instead, it transformed the lives of those he left behind in the village. He returned, not as a savior, but as an inspiration. He built schools, provided scholarships, and created job opportunities for the villagers. The once impoverished village now stood as a testament to Ethan's enduring spirit and generosity. And so, the tale of Ethan, the boy who dared to dream, unfolded as a beacon of hope for generations to come. From the dust of poverty, he rose like a phoenix, turning the improbable into the unbelievable. In the end, Ethan not only amassed riches, but also enriched the lives of those who believed in the magic of dreams.